Megger 510 and 15 kV insulation testers are used for general purpose insulation testing. They offer three key benefits: safety, power and reliable test results. The MIT515 is an entry-level 5 kV instrument, but it does not compromise on safety or performance. The others in the range all have diagnostic tests with result storage and download to Megger software. All three terminals are rated to category 4, 600 volts, and 1000 volts between each of them, protecting the unit against misconnection. The lead terminations lock to prevent accidental disconnection. Capacitive loads must be safely discharged after testing. MITs do this automatically. If the test leads disconnect, it could be extremely hazardous. The guard terminal ensures you measure the insulation that you want to measure. It measures and discounts any surface leakage current. It is key to the accuracy of the insulation test. That's why Megger's guard terminal performance is specified and offers unmatched accuracy. With a unique dual case design, the tough outer case protects a fire retardant inner case for extra reassurance. The MIT range gives 5% accuracy to at least 1 teraohm, the sort of value expected in substations. Stable readings are essential. They can be affected by electrical noise. The Megger insulation testers have high noise immunity for use in power environments. Always ready to go, they're battery powered but can operate on mains too. The MIT uses light lithium batteries that are fully charged in 2.5 hours. Like all Megger instruments, the MITs are designed to be tough.